Hello everyone, my name is Mcclendon, and today I'm going to talk about empiretoken. I'm going to be doing a price prediction and giving you guys some key information about their token and some stuff about their website. Let's jump right into it. So empiretoken on CoinMarketCap, we're trading a little bit under 1 penny, but this thing is extremely volatile, which I like about this altcoin right here. So if you look at it, this thing has dropped down from almost 2 cents down to about half, and now it's stabilizing. So for me, I didn't see a way to trade this, so I'm going to tackle this by hodling. So what I'm going to do, if I'm going to get into this cryptocurrency, I'm going to get at the current price, and every so often, like weekly, monthly, dollar cost averaging in and buying in on a regular basis, so I do not get emotional about trading. I don't have any FOMO. I don't have any of these emotional aspects to it. I have a plan, and if it hits its current top, I'm going to cut my trade in half and let the rest of it run. That's my plan. The price prediction is about 2 cents, so that's what I'm aiming for. But let's get in more into this token, because I found some really cool things about their website. Let's jump right into it. So their website is called empiretoken.world. Now this website has a really cool marketplace I want you guys to see, and whoever created this website it flows really nice. Really like this website. And when it comes to its NFTs that you can buy for their marketplace, it's pretty cool. So here's their update stuff, and their website is pretty. I like how you can scroll through it instead of just click a bunch of stuff. But here's their Twitter page before I go to their marketplace. The Twitter page has about 11,000 followers, so it's pretty active. They do post. The last post is October 6th, so I'm gonna tag them in to see if they can check out the video and stuff. But look at the empiretoken right here. So even there, it's showing that they're massive growth. With them growing like this, they've probably been jumping through the ranks pretty good. So that's something that I look at when it comes to altcoins. Well, let's check out their marketplace right here. Okay. So here's some of the categories you guys can look into. So there's some utility for this coin right here. Look at some of the videos, sports and stuff. How to create and sell your NFTs. You have this applicability to it. But guys, I want to keep this video not too long, but here's their information. I'll have it down in the description box below. Also the coin market cap. But here, I'll go back to my main website, Mcclendon.com. You want to find some of the crypto news, find some information about stocks, trading, and gold and silver, please check out this links below right here. I have some of the top cryptocurrencies on there. Also, if you want to find indicators, please click on here. I got some indicators that you can use that I've currently back tested that are not mirror imaging, or that are not doing false data coming out just to make the lines look good. So if you guys want that information, please click that. It is free. It's pulled from the websites. But that's it, guys. That's the video. So please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.